Hello, today I'm going to show you how to scan documents on an iPhone. Let's start. First, tap and hold Notes on your iPhone. Then select the option of Scan Document. Now take a picture of your document. Once you're done, tap on Save from your bottom right corner. As you can see, your document has been scanned. Now repeat the same process for other documents as well. Swipe your file to the left and tap on this folder. Create a new folder to save your document. Type A for this folder. Then hit the Save button. Your scanned document has been saved to your device. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.